In this video, I'll show you how to fix the screen goes black randomly on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now the first thing we can do is come down here and search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. Now once you're in here, what you want to do is type sfc /scan now. Press enter and let this scan until it's going to 100%. Now while we wait for this, you can just minimize it right here and come here and search for change screen saver. Open up this one and make sure you choose none. If you chose any of these, make sure it's on none, apply and OK. After that, you want to search for power. Go to your power plan. In here, you want to come back to power options. Choose high performance, change plan settings. In here, you want to make sure that you choose this to never, put the computer to sleep on never. And this one you can play around with, but you can also choose never for this one. I just have it on 15 minutes, but you can choose never if you never want it to go black screen. Now after that, you want to go to change advanced power settings. From in here, you want to find PCI Express. Press on this one, link state power management, and make sure this is turned off. Now if you have more than one in here, let's say you have two, you want to make sure both of those are off, and then you can close it down. Now like I said, this one you can play around with. This basically is just after 15 minutes my screen will become black, and then when I move my mouse it will open up again. But if you don't want that, you can just choose never. After you've done that, you can head down to device manager. In here you want to find display adapters and monitors. Right click, update driver, and right click, update driver. Now after that, what you can do is close this down, right click on your desktop, display settings, scroll down and advanced display settings, and in here choose the highest hertz that you can do. Close it down, and last step, simply search for Windows updates and check if you have a Windows update. Just click check for updates and take it if you have one. Now after you've done that, this one should almost be completed, and once it's at 100%, it will tell you if there's any errors and it will fix them for you. Now that's about it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.